Are you a preschool teacher? Let me quickly show you this tool. This tool is actually used to create a lot of outline drawing. This is an AI tool. You don't need to know how to really draw. So let me take you through this. So the website is called AutoDraw. So just search AutoDraw on Play Store. So when you get there, remember to click on the AutoDraw. Then this time I want to imagine, let me just remember I am drawing as if I don't really know how to draw, but I need a car to use for my worksheets. So imagine I have this. So they are going to give me a lot of options of a car. Those options are already here. Let me show you one after the other. This is the front view of a car. This is side view of a car. This is up view of a car. A lot of cars they are actually showing me. So they already know that I'm trying to draw a car. And I can still do a lot of amendment over here, change the color, add a lot of colors and more. So this is nice. Let me have another example. Maybe this time I need apple. And as I said, I imagine that I don't really know how to draw. So they brought out this, and I can easily tell them the one I want, and from there I can use it for a lot. So this is actually very nice, and I'm seeing this most people that can actually draw to save their life. This is a very nice tool. Now this tool is also available. Look at the houses over here. So this is actually very nice, and a lot of things you can actually draw out from this. A lot. Let me look for a smiling face, and bringing out a lot of smiling faces, and this is nice. So on your phone also, you can actually do this on your phone. How do you do it on your phone? So what you need to do is to go to your right there as usual. You write the word AutoDraw. So AutoDraw, the first on the list, and then when I get there, the same thing. This time let me start over. Okay, let me just draw. I can draw a lot using my hand over here. So I'm going to draw and with a lot. So let me see, it's already bringing out a lot of options. A lady, different type of lady, smiling face. Oh, what do we call it? It's even bringing out lion as part of the option. This is actually not bad at all. So on your phone you can use it. Likewise, everywhere on your PC you can also use this tool. So give it a try and let's see what you can actually produce with the use of this tool. So give it a try. I can't wait to get your feedback. This AI tool is for you, and we'll see you in another class. Thank you.